Hey guys, it's Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you 10 tips for college freshmen, and these are things they won't tell you at orientation. Okay, tip number 1. Avoid 8 a.m. classes at all cost. You may think you're an early bird now, but trust me, when you're in college, no one wants to wake up and go to an 8 o'clock class. So avoid them at all costs. Please, trust me, you will thank yourself later. Number 2, try your hardest to get along with your roommate. I know you guys maybe were random selections or maybe you knew them, but living with someone is way different than being friends, and when you have a complete stranger, things are gonna get a little bumpy sometimes. It is so much easier to live with a roommate when you all get along than it is to not get along. Even if you hate each other, don't show it until you move out. Just get along because your life will be so much simpler. You'll have way more to worry about than a roommate, so just make it work. Number 3. Have fun on weekends. Your weekends are like gold when you're in college. Do all of your homework, get that out of the way, do as much studying as you can, but save time to have fun because your memories are just as important as your schoolwork. Well, maybe not just as important, but as far as your personal life goes, you want to have those memories that you will be able to hold on for the rest of your life. So have some fun. It's also a great stress relief. Number 4. Don't be afraid to venture out and make new friends. I'm pretty sure after orientation week you'll have a group of friends that you're gonna think they're your core. You're gonna think, okay, these are my friends. As long as I'm with them, I'm good. I don't have to meet anyone else. No, go out and make friends. If you have to leave your core group and you see other people just sitting outside or sitting in the cafeteria one day, go up to them, say hi, introduce yourself. That could be your best friend right there. So just make new friends. Don't limit yourself to one little group. Go out and meet people. Number 5. Everyone hates to talk about this, or they claim that they'll do it, but they don't. Go to office hours. Office hours are so important. Most of the time, professors are sitting in there by themselves because students are scared to go and talk to them. Just go. Some of them may be a little intimidating, but at the end of the day, they're people just like you and me. So just go and talk to them. If you're struggling, tell them. They're there to help you. Number 6, look for opportunities off campus. Many colleges, I know mine was in a very big city, and there were so many opportunities off campus to volunteer, to get jobs, to network. Get off campus. You know, campus is great, but there's so many things off campus that you could be doing to secure a future outside of college. Many people end up having jobs already once they graduate college because they went off campus. They weren't afraid to leave their little bubble and make connections. So do that. Number 7. This is a big one, and it was really important for me. Call your parents as much as possible. I talked to my parents every single day when I was in college because at the end of the day, if you don't have anyone else, you have your parents. So don't take them for granted. Always contact them. They want to hear from you. They may act like they're doing fine, but trust me, they're struggling. They miss you. Talk to them. Even if it's for 2 minutes, just say hi. They love you. I love my parents, so I talk to them. I have no shame in that. Just call them. That's all they want. Number 8. Work out 4 to 5 times per week. A lot of us make time for everything but working out. I am guilty of this. But the truth is, I don't know if this works for you all. Maybe you all could try it and let me know down in the comments, but when I was working out consistently, my grades were so much better. And I know it's scientifically proven that if you work out for about 20 minutes before an exam, you'll get a higher score. Yeah, it worked for me, so do that. Not only will your grades maybe go up, You'll sleep better, you'll feel better, you'll have more energy, you'll look good, you'll be healthy. The benefits go on and on. Work out. You'll like it, or you'll grow to like it if you don't already. Just work out. Okay, number 9. We're almost at the end. Make time for yourself. You'll be around people all the time, especially if you are in a dorm room where you have to share your room with someone else. You literally are with someone almost 24/7. But it's so important to make time for yourself. If you need to meditate, if you need to just shoot, you may need to cry sometimes because, hey, who hasn't cried in college at least once? It's stressful. Just make time for yourself. Do something that you enjoy. If you want to go to the mall by yourself, go to the mall by yourself. You'll feel good afterwards. Everybody needs some time for themselves, and I think it's really important for everyone to be able to enjoy time by themselves. And finally, number 10. Find a study style that works for you. I know early on a lot of people may be trying to get you to like study in groups, or they'll say, this works for me, why don't you do it? That's okay, but you have to figure out which style works best for you. Just because studying in groups works for everyone else, that does not mean it's going to work for you. And just because highlighting everything works for someone else, it does not mean it's going to work for you. Spend your first 2 or 3 weeks of college figuring out what works best for you. Sorry about that, guys. My camera stopped recording. But as I was saying, spend your first 2 or 3 weeks of college figuring out what works best for you. It's super important to do well in college, and the only way you'll do that is if you know how to study. I can guarantee that what worked for you in high school is not going to work for you in college. It's a completely different style of learning. So figure it out as soon as you can, and if you need help, there are people on campuses that can help you. Ask for help. It's okay. And I think that's it. So I hope you all found this helpful. Please subscribe down below or wherever the subscribe box is. Please do that for me. I hope you all enjoyed this, and comment down below what you all want to see next. If you want any more tips, just let me know. Thank you all. Bye.